Welcome to the Crodie Files bonus edition. In these new bonus episodes, we have decided to give you more content. We have got so many listener questions, so much to tell you and talk about. We thought we would create this episode to give you information of what's coming up, what to expect, and also a rundown of 2023 and our first 4 months in podcast. Craig, first 4 months in podcasting, the Crodie Files. We did it. We launched it.
We have.
How's it been for you?
It's a game changer for me. I've learned so many new products, met new people. It's been absolutely mind-blowing how our Share the Knowledge has reached so many people around the world. And that is such an amazing feeling. How about you? How's it been for you?
Yeah, I've learned a hell of a lot. One, that our kind of network works. I'm so grateful to each and every listener and business contact as well as personal contacts who have actively supported the podcast, supported us, and been really pleased overall with our content. That's the main thing for me, that our content is reaching people. We are delivering our ethos of sharing the knowledge, being a relatable conversation, being credible voices within the assistant community. So I've just gone from, strength to strength in terms of personal development. Yeah, it's gone so quickly.
The reason why our content is so relevant is that we are sharing our own experience and how we have got to this point in our life. And as our ethos network learn, grow, I'm growing every day. It's been
definitely
amazing. Yeah.
Oh, definitely. We've had amazing support from our sponsors, Autograph Events. They've been great because we like to work closely with our sponsors and have relevance to our day-to-day role. I've had help from Autograph Events for internal, external events, big, small, and have great feedback from peers who have also used them. So thank you so much to our sponsors who have made everything possible. With these bonus episodes, Craig, one of the ideas we had was switch it up slightly. The amount of high Crodie questions we've had coming in is just overwhelming. Into 2024, we want to address some of these high Crodie questions, which are your bugbears, they're your ideas, they're your questions to very high level yet common different points within the profession, professionally, a whole mix of why. We thought we'd address some of the high Crodie questions in quick fire and get some of these answered and invite special guests.
Yes, I think that'd be great because we have so many we can't put into the podcast. We're going to put into here, which would be a great platform for us to do our tips and tricks and sharing the screen and showing our listeners how to do something. The fact that we've changed people's lives. We've had listeners who have never been in EA listen to our podcast and now going out of
them. How do you feel about that?
To come to an EA.
I don't know what profession they were in, but we've actually converted them, and through our amazing listener questions that have just got people thinking, that sounds like something I need to get into. I could do that. I want to do it. I want to find out more.
I totally agree. That's the feeling and the drive that I'm getting from doing this podcast. I mean, we're not just sitting in the studio just chatting. It's reaching out to all those. And we're in Bangladesh, Kenya, Colombia, Brazil, reaching to all those people, sharing our knowledge, and then they absorbing that and coming forward. It's just unbelievable. I get goosebumps.
It's so nice, isn't it?
I hear it, yeah.
I want to shout out some cities. So stats just in, and as we record this, good old Kent. Kent in the UK. No, seriously though, it's all over from Scotland, Birmingham. A load of assistants or listeners seem to be from Manchester, Denver, Colorado, Middletown, New Jersey, Brighton and Hove. Brighton is my hometown down on the coast. Lagos, Nigeria. It goes on and on. I would love to get in touch with some of you guys and just reach out through our various channels for open communication. What are some of those channels, Craig?
They can come through social media platforms. We've got our website at craigandjodie.com. You can reach us on DMs. We're on TikTok, LinkedIn. We'll be on YouTube soon. Or even email us at crodiefiles@gmail.com.
Definitely. You can direct message us through the Crodie Files page on LinkedIn. We will continue to deliver what you're asking for. The feedback is really important to us.
And we've got a great agenda planned for 2000. We're going to be popping up everywhere.
We've been booked on for panel discussions, trade show exhibitions. For our own personal development, we're going to try a few exhibitions, aren't we, for the podcasting world as well. I'm really excited about that. There's a lot of new networking, because I really love networking, meeting new people. I've been quite a few this year. I bet you have. Hang on. How many networking events have you been to? Have you even tallied it up yet?
No, I haven't. I'm going to start tallying up. I would say about 30 networking events.
And networking is still very important to us. It's a way to get ourselves out there in front of you guys and to personally develop our skills with public speaking and lending that helping hand with our advice as well. So you will see a lot more of us. Another win for us, Craig, and the listeners who turned out to support us with the Crodie Files end of season podcast party, the first one.
I know.
Podcast celebration. We almost sold out. I think we were 89% tickets sold, which shows that it's wanted, it's needed, and we are planning the next one. Probably mid 2024 and coming to different cities other than London.
To see so many amazing people attending, it was great. I think the atmosphere, the venue, big shout out to the Dilly for hosting us. The music from Bees Knees, they were great. Bowler Hat Tradition, he was brilliant. It was a come together party, but it was
a nice celebration, wasn't it?
It was.
And for those of you who are listening worldwide, the Dilly is on the famous Piccadilly Road. It's in a fabulous location in London. It's right in the heart of Tourist Central. If you ever come to London, do make sure you pop into the Dilly, and we have a lovely contact who would love to welcome you.
We're almost coming towards the end of 2023. I'm really sort of looking forward to a break from work and having some time with the family, a good rest, and charging the batteries up for 2024. How about you?
Yeah, same. So I'm going to take a little bit of time over Christmas, and then you'll see us back in full swing with January with new announcements and lots of things in the pipeline.
New season and new season 3.
So stay tuned.
I'm Craig Bryson.
And I'm Jodie Mears.
And together we are the Crodie Files.